Hey everyone, welcome back to Murad English Hub, the place where learning English becomes simple, fun, and effective. If you've been learning English for a while, you probably know some parts are a bit tricky. And one of the hardest? Phrasal verbs. But don't worry, today I'll make it super easy for you. In just a few minutes, you'll learn 5 very common phrasal verbs that native speakers use every single day. So grab your notebook and let's dive right in. Phrasal verb number 1. Call off meaning, to cancel something, like a plan or event. Example 1, they had to call off the outdoor concert because of the heavy rain. Example 2, my boss called off the meeting at the last minute. So, call off means cancel. Try making your own sentence using call off in the comments. Phrasal verb number 2, look for meaning, to search for or try to find something. Example 1, I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them anywhere? Example 2, she's looking for a new job because she wants a change. So, look for means to search for something you want or need. You can say, I'm looking for my phone, or I'm looking for peace. Phrasal verb number 3. Put off meaning, to delay or postpone something until later. Example 1, I always put off cleaning my room until Sunday. Example 2, don't put off studying for your exam until the last minute. Put off means delay. So don't put off learning English. Do it today. Phrasal verb number 4. Take off. Meaning 1. When an airplane leaves the ground. Example 1. The plane will take off in 20 minutes. Meaning 2. To remove clothes or accessories. Example 2. It's hot in here. I'll take off my jacket. So, take off can mean either begin flight or remove clothes. Phrasal verb number 5. Give up meaning to quit, stop trying, or surrender. Example 1, don't give up on learning English. You can do it. Example 2, he gave up smoking 5 years ago. Give up means to stop doing something. But remember, never give up on your dreams. Quick recap. Let's quickly review today's 5 phrasal verbs. 1, call off equals cancel 2. Look for equals search for 3. Put off equals delay/postpone 4. Take off equals begin flight/remove. 5. Give up equals stop trying/quit. Practice these 5 verbs today. The more you use them, the more natural your English will sound. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Murad English Hub and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson. Tell me in the comments, which phrasal verb do you use the most? Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning, keep growing, and never give up.